Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we're going to compare a couple of these Kinder chocolate bars, the Bueno and the Kinder chocolate bar. So we'll see which one's the best. Stay with us and we'll let you know. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to do a comparison between the Kinder Bueno and the Kinder chocolate. I think they are both pretty good. They have a filling in them. Let's see what we can do here, okay? Now this Kinder Bueno says crispy, creamy chocolate bar, crispy wafer with creamy nut filling and milk chocolate. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Says it has 2 servings, 1 bar per serving, 120 calories. Oh yeah, we don't need that. You can read all that. Open this little guy up. They come 2 in a package, and each one is individually wrapped. Look at there. Can't beat that. All right. Put that in right there. Let's open this little guy. It's got a little thing to grab right there. Just opens up right there. Just like that. All right. Get this out there. I think we better hang on to that. Chocolate. Need a napkin. Now this one, it says, is the crispy, creamy filling and has hazelnut in it, I think it said. Let's see what it says here. Hazelnut. All right. Let's get spotted. See that? They come in individual pieces there. See that in there? Look at that. Does that look good or what? It's a little crunchy. It's the chocolate, then the crunch, then the creamy filling. Very good. Boy. That chocolate's very good too. I brought me a drink today. Y'all know what I drink. So that's probably not going to be a mystery. You know my favorite drink. Well, they come, you can take a bite of 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Just another piece of that. That's pretty good. It's on the order of what do you call those? Kringle things? Little candies. Anyway, it's chocolate with the crispy circle under the chocolate with the creamy filling. One more bite. There's the second one. Still wrapped up, so if you don't want to eat both of them, you got that one. Sometimes I'll put these in the refrigerator. I like them cold. Good drink. Kinder chocolate. It says Kinder chocolate, milk chocolate treat with creamy, milky filling. Look at there. That sounds good. Grab that little guy right there. Pull it open. Okay. This one has 4 bars in it. Look here. 4 bars. Each one is individually wrapped. There's a little surprise here. Superman named Clark Kent. Look at there. Question: Superman alter ego Clark Kent is a journalist for what newspaper? The Daily Planet. Yeah. What is the name of Superman's dog? Crypto, I think. What is the name of the town in Kansas where Superman was raised as Clark Kent? Smallville, I think it was. All right, look at that. That's pretty neat. I think it comes with all different characters depending on what you get lucky and get. But here is the Kinder chocolate bars. All right, let's see. Put this over here to the side. This one doesn't have the little fancy opening thing, so we just have to unpeel it here. Aluminum. Now this one says it has milk chocolate treat with creamy, milky filling. It also says free trivia card inside. Okay, that shows Batman, but this was Superman, so I guess there's Batman, Superman. I think I got a Wonder Woman one time. So, all right, look at there. Look at that. Comes in 4 individual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual pieces. Let's get us by this. Milky filling, creamy filling, yeah. That's pretty good. I think I like that one. That chocolate gets on your fingers. Remember when we were kids? Yeah, buddy. Not going to tell you this is a mystery drink. You know what I drink. Crispy filling or creamy filling? I think I like this creamy filling very much. Got the white filling in there. Once again, I think I'll put one of each of these in the refrigerator. Let them get cold. I like that. I like that chocolate cold, cold. Says on the back, crafted for kids, loved and shared by everyone. No artificial colors, no preservatives, small portions. All right, you beat that. I think I got to get another bite. That's good. Just let it melt in your mouth. That's very good. Drink. How are we going to rate these? Kinder Bueno on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being 5 being yeah. I could give that Kinder Bueno a 4.5, 4 3/4, right in there. Very good. Their chocolate is excellent. The crispy, creamy filling in it is good. Very good. On the Kinder chocolate bar, that's the one with the white filling. Okay. Wait a minute. Got chocolate on my fingers. Have to do that. Can't waste any of that chocolate. I'm going to rate this one a 5, a full 5. Now, I don't give a 5 very often, so if I give it a 5, you know it's got to be very good. All right. 4 3/4 on the Bueno, 5 on the chocolate bar. And I think that's going to be the way we rate these. I like these little cards, inserts in here. The one on the cover here shows Batman, so it's probably Batman, Superman. And I've seen one that was a Wonder Woman. So it's probably the DC comic characters, okay? Well, I think that's about all we got here so far. I'm going to put a couple of these in the refrigerator, see if they get any better, okay? All right. Well, thank you all for watching. Go check out the video on the Kinder eggs. I did some of them. There'll be a link in the description below, so you can go check those out too, okay? So go check out the playlist. This will be under Taste Test. And a lot more up there and a lot more coming. All right, we did put this in the refrigerator so it would chocolate gets a little harder, so and it does get harder. Yep, does get a little harder. Doesn't make it any better. Because I rated it a 5, so Can't get much better than a rating of a 5. I like to let that melt in your mouth and lick the chocolate off your finger. Okay, so you see how it is if we put it in the refrigerator. I think just straight out of the package is just as good, okay? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.